guys, work a 2-client nail day with me. It's 10:18 right now. My first client is supposed to get here at 10:15. She'll be here soon, so it's okay. My second client is at 4 p.m. and it's actually my first client's mom. They were just gonna come together at 4, like after her mom had work, but I didn't want them to be here forever, so I'm just like splitting it up. And they live pretty close, so it's not a big issue. So let's go.
Morning, girlfriend!
Hi, I literally spent like 10 minutes in your backyard debating if I wanted to jump over the creek.
Okay, sit down, bro.
Do you have to
Got him, but you're not in it.
You're gonna be like, little girl, hey.
But she's so pretty.
Like, I don't want you.
I need to show him this one. This.
Why don't you come with me? I send my babies at home. She's
What's the problem? He's so.
Like, he acted mad, like.
He watched the Country Super Time show instead of Bad Bunny.
That's ugly.
I know. He told me that. I'm like, why would you ever tell me that? Because now I'm pissed.
What happened? I was on my iPad. Doesn't make me mad. I don't like kids.
Me neither.
I know. Like, I was literally like, yeah, it's disgusting.
He's like,
Jackson was like, bleh. Yes.
I know, he's so fine.
sorry, I just don't like to be tickled.
Discussion. Yeah. We could continue the discussion. How's your next week looking?
We're in Beijing next week.
We're in Beijing next week.
Okay, it is now 3:30 p.m. I finished Nadia's nails around like 12:30, and then I tanned and ate lunch for like an hour. I've kind of just been relaxing, but now I need to get ready for Nadia's mom because she comes in half an hour. Okay, I'm gonna kind of show you all the things I do to get ready. So I still have like my stuff from Nadia down here that I need to clean up, like my e-file, the sanding band's dirty, and then these three things are all dirty, so I'm putting them in my dirty bin. Okay, now I need to set up. This is my clean bin, like I've showed you in the past like 3 videos. These are all my clean cuticle bits, and then I kind of just pick one I feel like. I think I'm gonna do this like football bit. I don't know if that's what it's called, but that's what it looks like. Clean cuticle nippers and clean cuticle pusher. I don't know for sure if she's getting tips or not. It might just be gel. So I'm just gonna do my big sanding band, and then if I need to do tips, I can get my little sanding band out. And then I need to switch my armrest because I use this one for pictures. And then I get out my huge one. And I also need to put this gel back from Nadia. Okay, everything is ready, so when she gets here, I'll record again.
Oh, that's too much. It will be. What do you think? Hmm? Yeah, baby.
Si puedo soportar lo que siento. Lost in the thrill of it all. On my buttercream, the work I got on you, girl. Hope the sack is full up. I'm fucking, no, I'm fucked up. Spend it when I get you. Can't keep up a conversation. Can't nobody read you. Why your eyes well up? Did you call me from a you? Everybody needs you. Ooh, 90. Ain't no bitch in my body. Two beginnings.
Basketball.
Despite our history,
No,
life